Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your accessories for your Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application, and first of all we need to go to the avatar menu right here, and then you can go to the customization and select this menu, and then you can choose accessory adjustment, and with this feature you can adjust your accessory. I have two accessories here, this one and also this hat, and I'm going to adjust the hat. You can adjust the X position and the Y position like this. You can customize it guys, and also the Z position. And once you're done, you can click on apply, and then the adjustment will be applied to the accessory. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can adjust your accessories for your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.